Here we're all finished staining our deck here that had a lot of wood rot, and so we were able to clean out all this wood rot. We'll walk up the stairs here. So all along here had a lot of wood rot in the corners of the stairs. We'll zoom in, patched all these areas with wood putty, and we put a solid stain. This deck was probably about 20 years old. You can see cleaned up really nice. I'll go back here to these areas, zoom in. So on the end boards there was a lot of wood rot, and the key to this is you have to get all of that wood rot cleaned out, dried out before you can do any kind of patching. We did have a pretty rainy week to work with this deck, so we had to work around the rain, use tarps, and really focus on getting these areas dried out before we could work with the wood. We did replace the stairs, 2 stairs, but other than that, everything else was just patched. Just dealing with the wood rot and the wood patch, and then we applied our finish. And this is a nice, good cover product made by Diamond Vogel, and it worked really well. This is the russet color. So this deck is about 20 years old. Walk around a little bit here. Had a lot of wood rot. Here's another corner. There's probably about 20 areas that we had to patch. And there's the finished deck. Cleaned, stained, some sanding, yes, but definitely a good cleaning, good pressure washing. Daystar quality. You can find us on the websites godaystar.com and thedeckguy.com.